The drain saddle can fit onto any 1.5-inch straight length of pipe before your P-trap. If you have a garbage disposal, install the saddle before it. Mark where your saddle will go with a pencil and use your 1/4-inch drill bit to drill a hole at your mark. Be careful to only drill through one side of the pipe. Take the connection half of the drain clamp and attach the foam gasket aligned with the hole on the inside of the clamp. Insert nuts into the other half of the drain clamp. Put both halves together on the pipe aligned with the hole you drilled. Secure the clamp to the pipe with the bolts.